यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा पेज नंबर 137। What is Paurushayatvam and Apaurushayatvam? So different darshanas, they consider Paurushayatvam as different thing, whereas Vedanta Mata was given as Sajatiya Uchcharana Anapeksha Uchcharana Vishayatvam, Paurushayatvam. So a question was raised. सजातीय उच्चारण अनपेक्ष उच्चारण विषयत्वम, विषयत्वम if it is there, उच्चारण विषयत्वम will be in how उच्चारण विषयत्वम is पौरुषेयत्वम. This was the question. Because the definition says सजातीय उच्चारण अनपेक्ष उच्चारण विषयत्वम, so उच्चारण विषयत्वम is पौरुषेयत्वम. उच्चारण विषयत्वम will be there in varna. Like घट has दृश्य विषयत्वम और घट has रूप विषयत्वम, because it is रूप विषय, रूपस्य विषय. Like that varna will have uchcharana vishayatvam, because varna has uchcharana vishayatvam, therefore pada will have uchcharana vishayatvam, therefore vakya will have uchcharana vishayatvam, therefore vakya samuha, which is Veda, will have uchcharana vishayatvam. Veda or Mahabharata or whatever. There where sajatiya uchcharana anapeksha uchcharana vishayatvam is there, then it is Paurushayatvam. Where it is sajatiya uchcharana apeksha uchcharana vishayatvam, it will be Apaurushayatvam. How? See, it is explained in Tika now. Page 10, same page 137. Tika, last line. Asmakam mate Vedanam उत्पत्तिमत्वे अपि. वेद has उत्पत्तिमत्वे अपि पौरुषेयत्व अभावात् न अपसिद्धान्त इति आशयेन आह. So Vedanam उत्पत्तिमत्वे अपि पौरुषेयत्वम is not there. Therefore, it is not अपसिद्धान्त for Vedanti. उत्पत्तिमत्वम is not पौरुषेयत्वम. Na iti means that which has utpatti, it does not become the vishaya of paurushayatva. Kim vidham paurushayatvam abhipretya asman mate tad apadyate. So then what kind of paurushayatvam is that according to Vedanta Mata? तद आपाद्यते, that is being explained. किम पुरुषेण उच्चार्यमाणत्वं, पूर्व पक्षी is asking. किम वा पुरुष अधीन उत्पत्तिकत्वं. So पुरुषेण उच्चार्यमाणत्वं is there in Ishvara. Ishvara is purushena ucharyamana. Therefore, it will become paurushaya. And iti vikalpya adyam nirakaroti. Purushena ucharyamanattvam, if you say, mauni shloka dehe apurushayatva apattihi api bodhya. One thing Siddhanti said was, nahi tavat purushena ucharyamanattvam paurushayatvam. Why? Because अध्यापक परंपरया वेद will have paurushayatvam, and mauni shloka will become paurushaya or apaurushaya.
Paurushaya.
How paurushaya?
Apaurushaya.
Apaurushaya. It will become. Why? Because there is no ucharana. Purushena ucharyamanatvam is not there in mauni shloka, so mauni shloka will become apaurushaya, which is not correct. Dvitiyam pratyaha napi purushadino utpattikatvam paurushayatvam. Because purusha adhina utpattikatvam is there in Veda. Nayayika, how do they give Siddhanta? See, Vedaha paurushayaha vakyatvat bharatadivat iti. Vedas are paurushaya. Why? Because they have vakyatvam like Bharatadi, Mahabharatadi. Have you seen this Anumana before? Anybody?
Yes.
Where? It came before, right? In this text.
Same text.
Huh?
Vedanta Paribhasha only it has come.
Like this umbrella if that comes from the receivers.
Some people answer I can't hear. It came in Kiranavali. It didn't come in Vedanta Paribhasha. So this Anumana Vedaha Paurushayaha Vakyatvat Bharatadivat iti Nayayika Abhimata Paurushayatva. Nayayika, they say Vedas are Paurushaya. Iti Anumanena Asmadadi Abhyupeta Paurushayatva Sadhanat Asmadadina Siddha Sadhana Apatte. If Nayayika Abhimata Paurushayatva Anumanam, what they have done, we say we agree. We agree with this aspect that yatra 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 in Mahabharata it is Paurushayatva. That part we accept. Nayayika Abhimata Paurushayatva Anumanena Asmadadi Abhyupeta Paurushayatva Sadhanat. By that Anumana Asmadadi Abhyupeta Paurushayatva Sadhanat. So Asmadadi Abhyupeta Paurushayatva is should be Anabhyupeta. Asmadadina Siddha Sadhanata Apatte. Because, so Siddhanti says in this way, if it is Sajatiya Ucharana Anapeksha Ucharana Vishayatvam, then if it is Paurushayatvam or not, that will be decided by this Lakshana, not by their anumanam that yatra yatra vakyatvam tatra tatra paurushayatvam. I just want to see in another book if there is any different reading. So Nayyayika Abhimata Paurushayatva, by this Anumana, what we understand as Paurushayatva, that sadhanam is done. Therefore, it is Siddha sadhanam. But it is not Siddha sadhanam for Veda. Veda will not be. See, what is Siddha sadhanam? Siddha sadhanam means hetu. So hetu is there in Paksha, but this Vyapti is not there. Paksha will have hetu, that we don't deny. But Paksha is having sadhya because the Vyapti is there, yatra yatra vakyatvam, tatra tatra paurushayatvam, that we don't accept. So Vedanam apaurushayatvam, tarhi kim vidham paurushayatvam yada bhavat bhavatam mate utpatti matam Vedanam apaurushayatvam siddhyati. What type of paurushayatvam is there? Yad abhavat, in whose absence bhavatam mate utpatti matam Vedanam apaurushayatvam siddhyati. Utpattiman Veda, they will have apaurushayatvam. So he says sajatiya ucharana anapeksha ucharana vishayatvam. Sajatiya ucharanasya anapeksha yasya tad yatha tathavida ucharanasya vishayatvam. So what does that mean? He explains on the next page in Moolam. Tathacha sargadi kale parameshwaraha पूर्व सर्ग सिद्ध वेदानुपूर्वी समान आनुपूर्विकम वेदम विरचितवान. Sargadya Kale, in the beginning of the Sarga creation, what did Parameshwara, Paramatma do? Purva Sarga Siddha Veda Anupurvi. There was already Veda Anupurvi in the previous creation. Tat Samana Anupurvikam Veda Virachitavan. He created the same Anupurvika Veda. Natu Tad Vijatiyam Veda. Not different. Sajati only. न सजातीय उच्चारण अनपेक्ष उच्चारण विषयत्वम पौरुषयत्वम वेदाना. Vedas don't have sajatiya ucharana anapeksha ucharana vishayatvam. Why? भारतादीनां तु सजातीय उच्चारण अनपेक्ष एव उच्चारणम, because sajatiya ucharan was not there earlier in the previous yuga, so something new is created. Whereas Veda in the Purva Sarga, it was already same thing is done again. So there was sajatiya ucharanam already there before, so it is sajatiya ucharana apeksha ucharana vishayatvam, therefore it is apaurushaya, not anapeksha ucharana vishayatvam. Same Veda was already recited earlier, so it had already the same thing. That was said in Tika, you see, sajatiya ucharanasya anapeksha yasya. Sajatiya ucharanasya anapeksha yasya. Tad yatha. Tad yatha means sajatiya ucharanasya anapeksha vishayatvam. Tathavida ucharanasya vishayatvam. So sajatiya ucharana anapeksha ucharana vishayatvam will make it paurushayatvam. So I had explained last time also, somebody has already recited. That same recitation, if it happens again, so then it is apaurushaya because you take it this way. If it was not already recited, it is something new, then it is paurushaya. So if I write something and if I say this is brand new work, then it will become paurushaya. And if I say, no, this was already there, so then already there means somebody else's paurushaya work it can be, or it can be apaurushaya, either way. So then you have to ask that person. That person says, no, mine is original, then it will become paurushaya. Then anyone else follows will be paurushaya only. And if he says, no, this nobody else had read or received this before, this is original paurushaya. If it was already recited earlier, then it is possible that it can be apaurushaya. Uktavide paurushayatve sati. So paurushayatve sati,
सजातीय उच्चारण अनपेक्ष उच्चारण विषयत्व.
सजातीय उच्चारण अनपेक्ष उच्चारण विषयत्वम इति उक्त हेतोः न उक्त पौरुषेयत्वं वेदस्य इत्यर्थ. एंड देयरफॉर वेदस्य न उक्त पौरुषेयत्वम अस्ति, बट अस्ति च पौरुषेषु तल्लक्षणम. बट इन पौरुषेय ग्रंथ दिस लक्षण इज देयर. हाउ? भारतादीनां तु सजातीय उच्चारण अनपेक्ष एव उच्चारणम इति तेषां पौरुषेयत्वम. महाभारत सजातीय उच्चारण अपेक्ष उच्चारण विषय तो is not अनपेक्ष. Nobody else had recited it earlier. This is new. Therefore, it is paurushaya. एवं पौरुषेय अपौरुषेय भेदेन आगमो द्विधा निरूपितः. In this way, agamas can be of two types, paurushaya and apaurushaya. With this, Shabda Pramana Agama Paricheda is complete. Next is Arthapatti. टीका. अथ आगम निरूपणानंतरम अर्थापत्ति निरूपणम प्रतिजानीते. After agama nirupana, arthapatti nirupanam pratignya is done. Idanim arthapattir nirupyate. Now arthapatti nirupanam is done. Pramana is also called arthapatti. Prama is also called arthapatti, like pratyaksha. Here prama as well as pramanam, both are arthapatti. So which arthapatti he is referring to here? Arthapatti nirupyate pramanam. Arthapatti pramanam. Tippani number 1. अर्थापत्ति प्रमाकरणम, अर्थापत्ति प्रमाणम. अर्थापत्ति प्रमाकरणम is अर्थापत्ति प्रमाणम. So that by which अर्थापत्ति प्रमा takes place is called अर्थापत्ति प्रमाणम. तथा च प्रमाण लक्षण घटकस्य प्रमापदस्य अनिरूपणे प्रमाणस्य निरूपणम एव न भवति इति प्रमायाः प्रथमं निरूपणम. So if you want to explain what is Arthapatti Pramanam, Arthapatti Pramanam is Arthapatti Pramakaranam, but you don't know what is Arthapatti Prama. How can you explain Arthapatti Pramanam? So first, that's what it is. Pramana Lakshana Ghatakasya. Pramana Lakshana Ghataka is
प्रमाण
Pramana Lakshana Ghatakasya Pramapadasya. Pramana Lakshana Ghataka is not Pramapada. Prama Lakshana Ghataka is Pramanam. प्रमायाः लक्षणम घटकम और घटकः यस्य सह प्रमा लक्षण घटकः. प्रमा लक्षणम प्रमाण लक्षण इज प्रमाकरणम प्रमाणम. प्रमाण लक्षण घटक इज प्रमापद because pramana requires the knowledge of prama. Pramana lakshana ghataka is prama. So pramana lakshana ghatakasya pramapadasya anirupane pramanasya nirupanam eva na bhavati. Pramana nirupanam will not happen. Iti pramayaha prathamam nirupanam. Therefore first he explains prama, which is the ghataka of pramana. Tatra. Tatra means अर्थापत्तेः आगम निरूपणानंतरम निरूपण विषयत्वे सति. अर्थापत्तेः आगम निरूपणानंतरम निरूपण विषयत्वे सति. After agama nirupanam, so agama nirupanam is done. What kind of sangati will be this? Avasara sangati. Avasara sangati because now there is avasara prapta after agama. You can say avasara sangati. Everything is avasara prapta. Avasara sangati. आगम निरूपणानंतरम निरूपण विषयत्वे सति. प्रमाकरणस्य प्रमाणत्वात् प्रमारूप अर्थापत्य लक्षणम आह. प्रमाकरणम इज प्रमाणम. देयरफॉर प्रमाकरणस्य प्रमाणत्वात् प्रमारूप अर्थापत्तेः लक्षणम. प्रमारूप अर्थापत्ते लक्षणम. तत्र उपपाद्य ज्ञानेन उपपादक कल्पनम अर्थापत्तिः. दिस डेफिनेशन यू हैव टू नो. उपपाद्य ज्ञानेन उपपादक कल्पनम अर्थापत्तिः. According to Tarka Sangraha, what is Arthapatti? Yatireka Vyapti. There is no Lakshana. What is Upamanam? in Vedanta Paribhasha,
सादृश्य प्रमाकरणम्
Sadrishya Pramakaranam. And in Tarka Sangraha, what is Upamanam?
उपमिति कारणम उपमान
Upamiti but what kind of jnanam it is?
संज्ञा संगी संबंध
Sanya Sangi Sambandha Jnana. That is Upamana. So here Upapadya Jnanena Upapadaka Kalpanam Arthapatti. First, let us read the Moolam, then we will come to Tika. Tatra Upapadya Jnanam Karanam. Upapadya Jnanam is Karanam. Upapadaka Jnanam is Phalam. Phalam means Arthapatti Prama Ityartha. And Karanam will be Pramanam. Yena Vina Yad Anupapannam Tat Tatra Upapadyam. Yena Vina Yad Anupapannam Tat Tatra Upapadyam. Yasya Abhave Yasya Anupapattis Tatra Upapadakam. Yasya Abhave, he is going to explain himself. Yasya Abhave Yasya Anupapatti. Tatra Upapadakam. Upapattis, Anupapattis, Tat Tatra. There should be one Tat also. Tat Tatra Upapadakam. Like, what is the Drishtanta? Yatha Ratri Bhojanena Vina Diva Bhunjanasya Pinatvam Anupapannam iti. Tadrisha Pinatvam Upapadyam. Pinatva is Upapadyam. यथावा रात्रि भोजनस्य अभावे तादृश पीनत्वस्य अनुपपत्तिः इति रात्रि भोजनम उपपादकम. So पीनत्वम is upapadyam, रात्रि भोजनम is upapadakam. येन विना यद अनुपपन्नम तत् तत्र उपपाद्यम. So येन विना रात्रि भोजनेन विना पीनत्वम अनुपपन्नम tat peenatvam tatra upapadyam. If you want to write down there. Yena vina means ratri bhojanena vina. Yad anupapannam, peenatvam anupapannam. Tat tatra, tat peenatvam tatra upapadyam. They have given actually. If you read it properly, then you can fit in everything. Yasya abhave means ratri bhojanasya abhave. Yasya anupapattihi. Kasya anupapattihi? पीनत्वस्य अनुपपत्तिः. तादृश पीनत्वस्य अनुपपत्तिः इति. रात्रि भोजनम उपापादकम. सो तत्र उपापादकम. रात्रि भोजनम इज उपापादक. When they say Ratri Bhojanam, means we should understand Ratri Bhojana Jnanam. And when they say Peenatva means Peenatva Jnanam. Both are Jnanam here. Because we are dealing only with Jnanam. Tika. Upapadaka Jnanam करणम उपपाद्य ज्ञानम फलम इति भ्रम व्यावृत्त्यर्थम आह तत्र. So upapadak jnanam will be karanam. Upapadak jnanam means pinatvam or ratri bhojanam. Ratri bhojana jnanam is karanam. Upapadya jnanam phalam iti brahma. This will be the brahma. Iti brahma vyavrityartham aha tatra. So pinatvam will be upapadya. Upapadya jnanam is phalam. So how we do arthapatti? Upapadya jnanena upapadaka kalpana. Karanam is upapadaka jnanam. Upapadaka jnanam karanam, upapadya jnanam phalam. But upapadya jnanena upapadaka kalpana. So upapadaka jnana, see here it is given in Moolam properly. This is not correct. This upapadaka jnanam karanam is brahma. See, that's why you see upapadya jnanam is karanam. In Moolam how it is given? Upapadya jnanam karanam, upapadaka jnanam
Phalam.
phalam. In Tika how it is given? Upapadaka jnanam karanam, upapadya jnanam phalam. This is brahma, iti brahma. Upapadaka jnanam is not karanam. Upapadaka jnanam is phalam actually. And upapadya jnanam is
Karanam.
karanam. So brahma vyavritti artham. Because pinatvam is known. Ratri bhojanam is not known. Ratri bhojana kalpana you will do. ये ऐसा होगा in this way. तयोर ज्ञान द्वयोर मध्ये. So both are ज्ञान. तयोः ज्ञान द्वयोर मध्ये. उपपादक अभाव व्यापक अभाव प्रतियोगित्वम उपपाद्यत्वम इति उपपाद्य लक्षणम आह. उपपाद्यम is upapadaka abhava vyapaka abhava pratiyogitvam. Upapadaka abhava vyapaka abhava pratiyogitvam. So what will be the vyapya
Pinatva jnana.
huh? No, not pinatva ratri. What will be the vyapya?
upapadaka abhava.
Upapadaka abhava will be vyapya. Yatra yatra upapadaka abhava tatra tatra
Pratiyogitvam upapadyatvam.
means upapadya abhava. Yatra yatra upapadaka abhava tatra tatra upapadya abhava. Upapadya abhava's pratiyogi will be what? Upapadya. So that's how he has given. Upapadaka abhava vyapaka abhava pratiyogitvam upapadyatvam. Upapadaka yatra yatra upapadaka abhava tatra tatra upapadya abhava. Upapadya abhava pratiyogi will be upapadya. So upapadaka abhava. Upapadaka, what is upapadaka here? Ratri bhojan. So wherever ratri bhojana abhava is there, then pinatvam will not be there. But pinatvam is there. Therefore, ratri bhojanam is there. So if you read this part, yatra yatra upapadaka abhava, tatra tatra upapadya abhava. This is vyatireka vyapti. So in Anumanam we saw Siddhanti did khandanam of this. Here again it will come. इति उपपाद्य लक्षणमाह येन विना यद अनुपपन्नम तत्र उपपाद्य तत्र इति तेन इत्यर्थः यस्य अभावे यस्य अनुपपत्तिः तत् तत्र उपपादकम् तत्र मीन्स तेन उपपादकम् उपपाद्य अभाव व्याप्य अभाव प्रतियोगित्वम उपपादक लक्षणम उपपाद्य अभाव व्याप्य अभाव प्रतियोगित्वम सो उपपाद्य अभाव इज व्याप्य और व्यापक
व्यापक
व्याप्य
How many of you say vyapya? Raise your hands. It is vyapaka. Upapadya abhava is vyapaka. Upapadya abhava vyapya abhava pratiyogitvam. So yatra yatra upapadya abhava ka vyapya abhava. This way you should understand. Upapadya abhavasya vyapya abhava tasya pratiyogi upapadak. Therefore, upapadaka abhava is always vyapya. Upapadya abhava is vyapaka. These things you can note down there so that later it is easy. Later means later when you study or later when you teach. I am assuming at least 3, 4, 5 people of you will teach Vedanta Paribhasha to some students. If you teach, it is good for you. Then you can teach Brahma Sutra, then you can teach some other Brihat Grantha. Otherwise, it's also okay. Yena vina. Yasya iti. Yasya abhave. Yasya anupapattihi. So, yasya abhave means?
उपपाद्य अभावे
Upapadaka abhave. Yasya abhave means upapadaka abhave. रात्रि भोजन से अभावे रात्रि भोजनम इज उपपादकम उपपाद्य अभावे यस्य अनुपपत्तिः पीनत्वस्य अनुपपत्तिः उपपाद्यस्य अनुपपत्तिः. Always remember, don't try to just memorize things and then reproduce and then get confused between vyapya, vyapaka, upapadya, this abhava, that abhava. Try to understand. Upapadya is that by which I am going to have some upapadaka. So upapadaka is actually cause. Upapadya is effect. Ratri bhojana is going to be cause. And peenatvam will be effect of Ratri bhojana. So in this way, first understand. One is cause, another is effect. So effect is seen, means it is known. Cause is unknown. Unknown cause you are going to do kalpana based on the known effect. Like Drishyatvam and Mithyatvam. Of these two, what is known?
Drishyatvam.
दृश्यत्वं
Drishyatvam is known. So knowing Drishyatva, you are going to do Arthapatti of Mithyatva. So then Upapadya will be what?
मिथ्यात्व
दृश्य
Drishyatvam. Drishyatvam.
And Upapadaka will be Mithyatva.
मिथ्यात्वं
Like how we diagnose, right? Some effect we see. Body is hot, so say fever. So some fever, either flu is there or typhoid is there or some such thing. Pneumonia can be there based on the temperature. Something, I'm just giving example. So some effect you see, some cause you are going to determine. Like lot of traffic is there, jam. So you say something must have happened, some VIP must be coming, something.
Swamiji,
Hmm.
this line, yena vina yat anupapannam. So ratri bhojanam vina peenatvam anupapannam. Tat tatra upapadyam. So that is upapadyam. So yasya abhave, when it says, should we take it as yasya abhave as upapadya abhave?
There is the next line. Yasya abhave yasya anupapattihi. So he says, Ratri bhojanasya abhave. Yatha va he gives. Ratri bhojanasya abhave. Tadrisha peenatvasya anupapattihi. Itri ratri bhojanam upapadakam. So yasya abhave means upapadaka abhave. And yasya anupapatti means peenatvasya anupapatti. Right?
Yes, Swamiji.
उपाद्य उदाहरणमाह यथा रात्रि भोजन एक्सेट्रा. उपपादक उदाहरणम रात्रि भोजनस्य अभावे पीनत्व उपपत्ति. पीनत्व अनुपपत्ति. So पीनत्व is anupapatti means what is upapatti?
Jnanam.
And what is pratipatti?
Pratipatti is jnanam. Swami. Upapatti is yukti.
Upapatti, no, upapatti is not yukti. Upapatti is yukti, correct. Upapatti means it is yuktam here, or it is siddham. Peenatvasya upapatti means peenatvasya siddhi. Peenatvasya anupapatti means peenatvasya asiddhi. Without ratri bhojana, peenatva siddhi cannot happen. But peenatva is there. Peenatva siddhi is drishta only. Therefore, ratri bhojana kalpana. So, upapatti means this is siddham, it is possible. Anupapatti means it is not possible. Without eating at night, this is not possible. Like if you see someone always happy, what arthapatti will you do? Drishtam is there, sukham. What arthapatti will you do?
प्लस पुण्य कर्म
That they have lot of punya karma. Because without punya, sukham cannot come. Punya and sukha has sambandha. So instead of thinking in some other direction, we should focus there. If they are sukhi, sukhi doesn't mean they are samriddha, that they have so many things. But they are sukhi. Sukhi means punya karma phalam is there. Dukhi means papa karma is there. फर्दर प्रमितौ अर्थापत्ति शब्द प्रवृत्ति निमित्तम आह रात्रि भोजन इति तत्करणे निमित्तम आह कल्पना इति इन मूलम रात्रि भोजन कल्पना रूपायां प्रमितौ अर्थस्य आपत्ति कल्पना आपत्ति मीन्स कल्पना अर्थस्य आपत्ति कल्पना इति षष्ठी समासेन अर्थापत्ति शब्दो वर्तते रात्रि भोजन in that he is using अर्थापत्ति शब्द फर्स्ट रात्रि भोजन कल्पना रूपायां प्रमितौ अर्थस्य आपत्ति रात्रि भोजन इज करण और प्रमा
It's not correct.
प्रमा करणम इज
Pinatam.
पीनत्वम्
पीनत्वम इज करणम रात्रि भोजनम इज प्रमा so therefore he says रात्रि भोजन कल्पना रूपायां प्रमितौ it is प्रमिति अर्थस्य आपत्ति ही कल्पना इति षष्ठी समास so अर्थस्य आपत्ति ही अर्थापत्ति ही what is the समास
षष्ठी
what is the sutra there
षष्ठी
षष्ठी is the sutra that's why he says षष्ठी समासेन अर्थापत्ति शब्दो वर्तते कल्पना करण पीनत्वादि ज्ञाने तु अर्थस्य आपत्ति ही कल्पना यस्मात् इति बहुव्रीहि समासेन वर्तते so now you know even to understand the moolam of Vedanta Paribhasha you have to know Vyakarana because he says Arthapatti if you do Tatpurusha Samasa it will give Prama Arthapatti if you do Bahuvrihi Samasa it will give you Pramanam Kalpana Karana कल्पनायाः करण पीनत्वादि ज्ञाने व्हाट इज अर्थापत्ति अर्थस्य आपत्ति यस्मात् इति बहुव्रीहि समास अर्थस्य आपत्ति यस्मात् यस्मात् ज्ञानात् सो अर्थस्य आपत्ति इज हैपनिंग बिकॉज ऑफ पीनत्वम सो अर्थस्य आपत्ति यस्मात् इज बहुव्रीहि समास इज अर्थापत्ति एंड षष्ठी तत्पुरुष समास इज also अर्थापत्ति ही षष्ठी तत्पुरुष समास अर्थापत्ति इस प्रमा और प्रमाणम प्रमा बहुव्रीहि समास अर्थापत्ति इस
प्रमाण
right now sometimes what happens is when everybody is answering you also answer something and it is right and you think I have understood everything same thing tomorrow if somebody will ask you individually then you know what can happen suddenly because it is forgotten so somebody had asked a question how Swamiji Tatpurusha Samasa and Bahuvrihi Samasa. Who had asked this question? This question was when I explained Shastra Yoni. Shastrasya Yonihi and Shastram Yoni Yasmin. Or Yasya. That's Shastra Yoni. So this is how. Same thing, Arthapatti can Tatpurusha Samas also can be there, Bahuvrihi Samas also can be. Drishtanta is Rameshwaram. Ramasya Ishwaraha, Rameshwara. Who is Rameshwara? Shiva. Ramasya Ishwara, Rameshwara. Who is Rameshwara? Shiva. Because he is Ramasya Ishwara. Ramo Ishwaro Yasya. सह रामेश्वरः कः रामेश्वरः शिव ओनली। राम ईश्वरो यस्य, रामः ईश्वरो यस्य सः रामेश्वरः। सो रामेश्वर इज ऑलवेज शिव, whether it is रामस्य ईश्वरः or Rama is ईश्वर for whom. Rama is ईश्वर for whom? For Shiva. That is बहुव्रीहि. इति बहुव्रीहि समासेन वर्तते। इति फलकरणयोः उभयोः तत्पद प्रयोगः। फलकरणयोः उभयोः तत्पद प्रयोगः। What is that? What is that? फलकरणयोः उभयोः तत्पद प्रयोगः। Tatpada means Arthapatti Pada. In Phala also Arthapatti Pada is used, for Karana also Arthapatti Pada is used. Karana Arthapatti Pada is Pramana. Phala Arthapatti Pada is
Prama.
Karana Arthapatti is Bahurihi or Tatpurusha.
Bahurihi.
And Prama Arthapatti is षष्ठी तत्पुरुष। एवं लक्षण लक्षिताम ताम विभजते। टिप्पणी 1 number and 2 number टिप्पणी उसी। 1 number अर्थस्य, अर्थस्य मीन्स रात्रि भोजन रूपस्य उपपादक ज्ञानस्य आपत्तिः कल्पना is called अर्थापत्ति। तथा च रात्रि भोजन कल्पनम एव अर्थापत्तिः। अर्थापत्ति प्रमा इत्यर्थ। रात्रि भोजन कल्पनम इज अर्थापत्ति प्रमा। 2nd number टिप्पणी रात्रि भोजन रूपस्य उपपादक ज्ञानस्य। रात्रि भोजन इज ऑलवेज उपपादक। उपपादक ज्ञानस्य कल्पना यस्मात् दिवा अभोजन अभाव विशिष्ट पीनत्व ज्ञान। दिवा अभोजन दिवा अभोजन भाव विशिष्ट। Anybody has different reading? No. दिवा अभोजन अभाव विशिष्ट पीनत्व ज्ञानात् तदर्थापत्ति प्रमाणम। रात्रि भोजन रूप उपपादक ज्ञानस्य कल्पना यस्मात्। यस्मात् is दिवा अभोजन दिवा भोजन सॉरी दिवा भोजन अभाव विशिष्ट, नॉट दिवा भोजन। दिवा भोजन अभाव विशिष्ट पीनत्व ज्ञान। So diva bhojanam is not there. Diva bhojan abhav is there. Diva bhojan abhav vishishta pinatva means ratri bhojana is definitely there. So there arthapatti is pramanam. Now he does vibhaga. Evam lakshana lakshitam tam vibhajate. Tam arthapattim. That arthapatti is of 2 types. Sacha arthapattir dvividha. Drashtarthapattihi श्रुतार्थापत्तिश्च इति। दृष्टार्थापत्ति and श्रुतार्थापत्ति। तत्र दृष्टार्थापत्तिः यथा इदं रजतम् इति पुरोवर्तिनि प्रतिपन्नस्य रजतस्य नेदं रजतम् इति तत्रैव निषिध्यमानत्वं सत्यत्वे अनुपपन्नम् इति रजतस्य सद्भिन्नत्वं सत्यत्व अत्यन्ताभाव वत्वम वा मिथ्यात्वं कल्पयति। इदं रजतम इति पूर्ववर्तिनि प्रतिपन्नस्य रजतस्य. So first of all, two types of arthapatti: drishtarthapatti and shrutarthapatti. First he explains drishta artha. The shruta artha will be based on shruti vakya. This is a prasiddha shrutarthapatti drishtanta he will give. Drishtarthapatti is what? Idam rajatam iti purovartini pratipannasya rajatasya. Rajata jnanam is happening. Its negation will happen by nedam rajatam. But you have to always remember, nedam rajatam is not swatantra nishedha. Nedam rajatam will happen only after shuktiriyam. First you understand this is shukti, then only you can do its nishedha. So idam rajatam iti purovartini pratipannasya rajatasya nedam rajatam iti tatraiva nishidhyamanatvam satyatve anupapanna. This nishedha is not possible if rajata was satya, but nishedha is there. Therefore rajatasya sadbhinnatvam. Therefore it is to be different from sat. So satyatva atyanta bhavavatvam, which is mithyatvam kalpayati. So drishtarthapatti is clear. By seeing something, you do arthapatti. This is drashtarthapatti. Tika. Arthapatti nirupanasya prapancha mithyattvadi siddhyarthatvat tad anurupam udaharanam vaktavyam iti ashana. Arthapatti nirupanam, what is the prayojanam? We are going to prove prapancha mithya. So appropriate drishtanta is given. Idam rajatam, rajatam is mithya. How you know? By the nishedha. On previous page, see tippani number 4. Sadbhinnatvam iti. Nedam rajatam iti. Aptavakya shravananantaram. Aptavakya shravanam will not be only nedam rajatam. Aptavakya shravanam will be shuktiriyam nedam rajatam, like that. It is shukti, it is not rajata. Aptavakya shravananantaram jato rajatatva sadbhava bodha. So then rajatatva asadbhava bodha. Rajatatva asadbhava bodha will take place. That it is asad. Satatra rajatatva satve anupapadyamana. Rajata asatatva will be there only if rajata is asat. Rajatatva sattva, if it was there, rajata asatatva will not be possible. Satatra rajatatva sattve anupapadyamana. San pratyaksha avagatasya rajatasya sadbhinnatvam kalpayati iti tatparya. So pratyaksha avagata rajata is sadbhinna, means it is mithya. This kalpana will happen. Iti tatparyam. Is this clear? This tippani?
Yes, Swamiji.
So rajatasya sadbhinnatvam, idea is very simple actually. So this is drashtarthapatti. Pratipannasya means pratitasya. Tatraiva means purovartini eva, in front, in pratyaksha. Satyatve rajatasya iti sambadhyate. If it is satya, if rajata satya, nisheda would not have been possible. Nisheda is done by apta purusha. Therefore rajata is mithya. Anupapannam iti hetoho nishidhyamanatvam rajatasya mithyatvam kalpayati. So rajatasya satyatvam anupapannam if nisheda is there. Therefore nishidhyamanatvam rajatasya mithyatvam kalpayati. Kim tat, what is that mithyatvam? Sadbhinnatvam or sat atyanta bhava vatvam. Satyatva atyanta bhava vatvam is mithyatvam. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।